Are you excited? Because I sure am, because it's Logarithmic Properties number 2, episode 2, baby. Now, let me start by this very good proof. Now, this will be an actual proof with contradiction, with my previous so-called proofs, but this will be an actually rigorous formulation of a proof. Now, I would like to prove logarithm base a to the, let's say, x to the m, x to the n, let's say, is equal to, well, n times logarithm a to the x. Now, why does this hold? Now, let me write this as a product x times x times x times dot 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 x. And this will be repeated n times because, that's what an exponential means. Then you can write this as logarithm base a of x plus logarithm base a of x plus dot 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 logarithm base a of x. And this will be repeated as, again, n times. So, n times repetition of a summation is basically n times logarithm a of x, which is what which was what we were trying to prove. I'm sorry. So this is our fifth property actually, and yeah, this counts as a rigorous formulation of a proof, and yeah. Now this proof, oh my god, there's a proof in this book that's like this long. I'm not even kidding, and I actually invented my own proof for this formula. It actually took me, I think, like 2 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, let me show the fact now. Logarithm base a to the b is equal to logarithm base c, which c is an arbitrary constant, let's say, to the b over logarithm base c to the a. This is what we're trying to prove. Now, oh my god, the textbook proof is so long and so tedious. I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to pull this term to the left. Log a b times log ca is equal to log cb. And now everyone can prove this. Let's raise everything to the power of c. Now this is going to be equal to b, which is equal to, now I can rearrange this saying that c log c to the a all to the power of log a to the b. Now these will cancel out, leave an a, and then these will cancel out and leave a b. Therefore b equals b. Therefore my original fact was an actual true axiom. So 6. I proved this one. Oh, okay, now this is a very boring proof, but I will basically show that 7 logarithm base a to the b is equal to 1 over the logarithm base b a. Now, why does this hold? Now, let me write this as logarithm, and let me, I will use this statement. Actually, I will use this statement a lot throughout this course. So I will let c, since c is very arbitrary, be b to the b over logarithm base b to the a. And now since this is 1, this will equal to logarithm base 1 over logarithm base b to the a. And yeah, this is true. Now this is an actual proof, by the way. Like I said, this wasn't a rigorous formulation, but this is a rigorous formulation because I didn't assume this fact to be true. And which proof? Oh, okay, I know this one. Now let me write over here. What I'm trying to prove here is the fact that log a to the base a to the n over b to the m is equal to m over n log a to the b. And I will again rigorously prove this. Now, this can be also written as, with this property in mind, logarithm base a, let's say c is a, b to the m over logarithm a to the n. Now, n goes out, a to the a is 1, m goes out, log a to the b is, well, log a to the b, so you have m over n log a to the b, which is, again, like I said, this is a rigorous proof, but this is our identity number 8. So do we have any proofs left? Oh yes, actually one more. Now, this proof is very tricky to come up with yourself. The others are very easy to do so. But okay, now, what this proof is arguing is log base a of b times log base b of c dot 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 log base c, not c, let's say n, m is going to be equal to log base a to the m. Now, why does this hold? Now, it's because when you write everything with this formula, let's say log, what constant should I, no, what variable should I use? Let me think of a Greek letter. Omega, yeah. Log base omega b over log base omega a times log base omega c over log base omega b, and so on to the log base omega m over log base omega n. Now, everything will cancel out and leave us with these two. So log base, this is going to be equal to log base omega to the m over log base omega to the a, which will be equal to, since this is by this formula again, log base a to the m. And this is proven, and which number is it? 9, okay, yeah, 9th formula. So I think this is it, yeah. So we have proved 9 formulas in these lectures, and again, by the way, this is a rigorous proof, just pointing out there. And yeah, our all properties are done. I have proved every single one of them. Now you're equipped with the strength, with the weapons you have against those pesky questions that test you in every minute detail. So thank you for listening, thank you for being with me, and goodbye. Have a nice night.